How to use two apps in one mobile on Samsung. So if you want to use two apps in one mobile on Samsung, there are two ways to do this. First is the easier way, the other is a little bit complicated way, but will work 100%. So first of all, what you have to do is, in the first easier way, you can open up settings, then you can simply go to advanced features, scroll down and look for the option called dual messenger, and over here you will see a list of apps. So if the app that you want to use is supported over here, you can simply choose to install a second copy of that. This is the easier way to actually do it, but sometimes not all of the apps which you want to clone might be supported in this case. In that case, we can make use of a feature on our Samsung called secure folder. So what we will do is, if you have not yet used secure folder, you can simply use the search bar and type in secure folder over here, right? So once you search for secure folder, here you can see all these options. So you can just click on settings and go to secure folder. So we will simply create a secure folder. If you don't know what secure folder is like a Knox security which you can use to hide anything inside your Samsung Galaxy device, be it apps. So what we will do is, we will install a second copy inside of the app that we want inside secure folder, and we can use it by using the secure folder. So let this process to actually be complete first of all. So right here, after it's done, it will ask you to set a pattern, pin or password for your secure folder. I will simply select, let's say I want a pattern, so I'll just select that, click on continue, and simply go ahead and then confirm my pattern as well. Now once I've done that, my secure folder will actually get created, and it will also get turned on with fingerprint. Now here you can see, now you can close this as well, because now you will see a secure folder box as well. So you can open that. Now you can choose to add any other app that you want inside secure folder. So the app that you want to clone and use, you can simply select that and then just hit the add option. It will get added inside secure folder. So one app you can use outside of secure folder, one app you can hide and use inside of secure folder. But if the app that you want is also supported inside dual messenger, then you can use that process as well. So these are the two ways to do it. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.